Today's video topic is encapsulation. Encapsulation in Java refers to integrating data variables and code methods into a single unit. In encapsulation, a class variables are hidden from other classes can only be accessed by the methods of the class in which they are found. Encapsulation in Java is an object-oriented procedure of combining the data members and data methods of the class inside the user-defined class. It is important to declare this class as private. It is important to declare this class as private. Needs for encapsulation in Java is encapsulation improvises the procedure of coding to a whole new level. We need encapsulation in Java for various reasons. They are stated below: better control, getter and setter, security, and flexibility. First, better control. Encapsulation provides ultimate control over the data members and data methods into the class inside the class. Getter and setter. The standard IDEs provide inbuilt support for getter and setter methods, which increases the programming pace. Security. Encapsulation prevents access to the data members and data methods by any external classes. The encapsulation process improves the security of encapsulated data. Flexibility changes made to one part of the code can be successfully implemented without affecting any other parts of the code. Data hiding in Java. Data hiding is a procedure done to avoid access to the data members and data methods and their logical implementation. Data hiding can be done by using the access specifiers. We have four access specifiers: default, protected, public, private. Default is the first line of the data hiding. Public accesses. The specifier provides the access specifications to a class. And private, the private access specifier provides access to the data members. And last, protected, the protected access specifier protects the class methods and members similar to the private access specifiers.